DeepSeek OpenAI, the new AI that's changing everything. Hello everyone, welcome back to Anna Videos. Artificial intelligence is evolving at an incredible pace. You've heard of ChatGPT and Google Gemini, but have you heard of DeepSeek OpenAI? This new AI model is making waves in the industry, and today we're diving deep into what makes it so special. 1. What is DeepSeek OpenAI? DeepSeek OpenAI is an advanced artificial intelligence model designed for natural language processing, content generation, and problem solving. It's built to compete with industry giants like OpenAI's GPT and Google SAI models, offering powerful capabilities in multiple fields. 2. Key features and capabilities. So, what makes DeepSeek OpenAI stand out? Let's take a look at some of its most impressive features. Advanced text generation. It can create high-quality, human-like text for articles, stories, and business content. Code assistance. Developers can use it to generate, debug, and improve code in multiple programming languages. Research and data analysis. It processes and summarizes large volumes of data, making it a game-changer for researchers and businesses. Multimodal abilities. Some versions can generate not just text, but also images and even videos. 3. How it compares to other AI models. How does DeepSeek OpenAI compare to other major AI models? While it's still new, early tests show that it competes well in text coherence, creativity, and efficiency. Some experts believe it might soon become a major competitor in the AI space. 4. Potential uses and who can benefit. Who should be using DeepSeek OpenAI? If you're a content creator, business owner, or developer, this AI could revolutionize the way you work. It helps generate content faster, automate workflows, and improve efficiency. 5. Future of DeepSeek AI. As AI technology continues to evolve, DeepSeek OpenAI could become a major player in the industry. Will it challenge OpenAI and Google? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, AI is getting smarter, and the future is exciting. What do you think about DeepSeek OpenAI? Could it be the next big thing in artificial intelligence? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates. See you in the next video.